So your spine deeply impacts your mental health because mental health comes from the brain, right? So your brain function is really dependent on how well orchestrated all the different aspects of your brain are firing together. What is the key ingredient that synchronizes brain function? There are certain timing mechanisms in the brain that are coordinated based off of the information that's coming from the spinal system. So if your spine is out of balance, if you have tension that is on the nervous system, what happens is that sends desynchronous information, I don't know if that's even a word, unsynchronized information that goes up into the brain. And what that does is that then starts to kick things off of balance. So now the timing is off. And if your timing is constantly off in your brain, that actually changes the chemicals that your brain is producing. That actually increases the amount of stress that you have. That can put people into a state of anxiety. That can put people into a state of depression. They can experience different emotional states that are perceived as very negative, and it can even disrupt things and start causing in children and adults things like ADHD, so attention deficit, because the brain development is so important and being tied into the spinal health that you really can't separate the systems out. The spine drives brain health.